Okay, so hopefully you've been able to download the lesson 17.ipynb file, and but if you're downloading it from GitHub, you can do the curl command. Or since we had a network issue today, I'm just gonna copy it from where I downloaded it or where it's actually saved on my computer. So this will be different for you guys. So don't follow along this time, but if you look at your directory contents, you'll see that it should be there now. So we can now continue with the usual thing where we source activate our Python 3 environment, and then type Jupyter Notebook, and we can click on lesson 17. Okay, everybody caught up here? Good. So in this lesson, we're going to look at some of the statistics tools available in Python. There's a number of packages that provide statistical support. So we've already seen some things with pandas and NumPy. We're also going to cover today SciPy and scikit-bio, which is a biology package. So if you've been following along, you probably don't have these things installed in your environment. So the first thing we want to do is install scikit-bio and this package called Outlier Utils. So we can go back to our Home tab, click New Terminal, and we can see we're inside the Python 3 environment. So should be able to copy and paste this one. Now, for me, this should already be installed, so I won't have to do anything, but for you guys, this should have you install this package. This package provides a number of tools for dealing with biological sequence data, microbiome data, those kind of things, and various statistics that go along with it. So just say yes to install that package when it prompts you. And when that's done, go back here to our lesson tab and then copy the second command, this pip install Outlier Utils. This is a package for detecting outliers in data sets. So if you do a lot of statistics, you probably used R, the programming language R. R is fundamentally for doing statistics, whereas Python is a more general purpose programming language. So R has a lot of built-in statistical handling capability that in Python is a little bit more piecemeal, but that's changing. There's more and more support for doing statistical tests in Python, and we'll see that today. So anyway, we've got these two installed now, and we can now go ahead and import the various required packages that we're going to use today. So pandas, NumPy, SciPy, scikit-bio, and matplotlib and seaborn for plotting, and then we have this outliers package and matplotlib. So I'll just show these in the order that we're going to use them. It doesn't matter which order you import them. But and we're using matplotlib inline as well, right? Because we want to be able to show our plots in the notebook. Yeah. So and just a quick refresher. Remember, when we import things, we have different ways to import packages. So we can have a alias or a short name for the package by using this as option, or we can just import the package normally. We can use this from, so this is from Outlier's package import just this function, and then we can rename it as something else. So Smirnoff grubs is the grubs test, so we can just import this as grubs. So a lot of different options. And also, I'll point out that scikit bio is just abbreviated as skbio, and Outlier Utils is abbreviated as Outliers when we import them. Okay. Question? Yeah.
It says pandas is installed when I updated all the packages.
Okay. What does it tell you to?
It says no module named pandas.
Okay. Let me see if I can
And I tried reinstalling
help you.
pandas, and it's